Ended up closing out a $13,000 profit on Beyond Meat today, and my goal in this video is to show you guys why I took this position and where I think Beyond Meat is going to go within the next week or so. If you don't know who I am, my name is Peter DiCarlo. I've been a full-time trader for the past 9 years, and my goal with my content is to teach you guys everything that I wish I knew within my first 5 years of trading. My 5 year time frame, like first 5 years was hell, and a lot of people wouldn't stick with it. And I didn't have a mentor. I didn't have, this is before anybody was teaching this on YouTube. And I feel that the content that we talk about here, the daily recaps, would have been monumental for me in the beginning of my career. So let's talk about the actual position and the setup on Beyond Meat. Anytime that I'm looking at a stock, I usually am going to zoom out to one of the bigger time frames. So I'm going to look at least the daily chart, and I'm also going to look sometimes at the weekly chart. And so you're going to see on the right side of our screen, we have what's called our market bias, which is this oscillator here. And this is going to be our weekly market bias. So on the bigger, the biggest time frame, you can see that we are making higher highs. And this is showing that within this consolidation, price is most likely going to continue to break out. You're also going to notice on the left over here that we pulled back into our market bias and we are looking to bounce. So now on the bigger time frames, we know that we have two bullish signs, and that now that we've bounced, we might take a test back up to 840, $9, maybe even $9.80. And so we could just go ahead and purchase this, and if we wanted to, hold for the next couple of weeks. But what I like to do is therefore go in on the smaller time frames and look for much better entries and exits. Now, what you're seeing on your screen is actually our trading bot, and this is called the 1150 Impulse. Now, at this point, I do not have my indicators up for my 11 SMA and my 50 SMA, but what it's doing is when price breaks above those moving averages, it's looking to go long and continue to clip these profits at higher highs until that trend line breaks. So what we ended up doing was entering this position on the 31st of May as we were pushing up into this impulse. From here, price opened up today, consolidated for a bit, and took its profit up there at about a 5% return. From there, we pulled back, the bot re-entered, and at this moment, it is still in a position. I will tell you though that I did end up closing my trade, and I'm not holding on to any other Beyond Meat positions at this moment. What I'm looking for from this point is to see if we can get more momentum in the next couple of days, because I do think that there's a chance we can move back up to 850. It's just that I wanted to take my profit on this smaller time frame because we are in this bearish order block, which is what this dotted line is. So basically on the daily chart, if we were to switch to time frame, this is showing you where we have those big institutional sell orders and those big institutional buy orders. And so if this institutional sell order of $8 is taken out, Beyond Meat is going to absolutely rocket back up to $10. And so at this point, I am bullish on it, but I wanted to close out my trade in the short term to see what happens here at this $8 resistance level. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this type of trading style helps you. Let me know if you guys are currently trading Beyond Meat, and let me know what you guys think is going to happen within the next couple of weeks. Make sure to check out all of our free resources and all of our free courses on our website, thtcommunity.com. You guys can get access to all of our free courses over there, as well as much more. Thank you guys for all of your support, and I'll see you next time.